What's up? Welcome back to the Dewan Moore Show. I'm your host, Dewan Moore. How are you guys all doing today? Oh my god, my brother's driving me nuts about these free fucking stocks. Anywho's, so I'm doing some laundry. You don't care about that, but I'm freaking bored and I decided to make some YouTube content. Did you know that over 1 billion hours of content gets uploaded to YouTube each and every single day? That's a lot of time. So for you to come and check me out, I really appreciate it. And if you get that subscribe button, it would really mean a lot. Because once I hit 1,000, I can actually monetize my videos. Because if you don't know, you can't actually monetize your videos till you have at least 1,000 subscribers. And as we have moved further closer to our goal, we're just not there yet. So if you can find it in your heart to hit that subscribe and smash the like and leave a comment in the comment section, it would be greatly appreciated, as much as I appreciate each and every one of you. So, with that being said, let's go ahead and jump into this unboxing video. So, we're going to be unboxing, personal info. Anywho, we're going to be unboxing a thing today. But let me tell you how I got the thing that I got today. So, I'm not a peasant, so I actually have YouTube Red, so I don't have to watch commercials. And it's freaking awesome. I love not seeing any ads from Bernie Sanders, Donald Trump, or anybody, or things that I would never buy, things I have no intent. If I want something, I'll go get it. If I want to know more of something about it, I will Google it. I don't need commercials. Thank you very much. But with that being said, so I paid for YouTube Red, no commercials, and it offered me YouTube Music as a bonus, which is pretty sweet because it's comparable to Spotify or Pandora or one of those streaming systems, and I actually like it better than iHeartRadio. I deleted it because YouTube Music is far superior. But when you I paid for a couple of months of YouTube Red, and they offered me a free gift for making 2 payments, blah, 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 blah. So what they sent me was, let's open it up. I'll just show you guys. How is everyone today? Good morning, Brother Brad. Good morning. Some weird stuff they use. What is that? It's like foam or something? I don't know. It's gross. Anyways, I got for free for being subscribed to YouTube Red for like 2 months. I got a Google Nest Mini. It says small and mighty. So this is like a $50 value. Got it for free. I'm very excited. I'm going to be charging it up and using it today and for the next week or so, and probably for longer than that. But I usually give new devices and stuff that I have about a week's trial, and then I get back to you guys. Don't worry, that Skull Candy Sesh is coming. You're not going to be happy with. I'm just not happy. Oh my god, can I get into this? How? I don't want to tear it. Alright, here we go. If you guys have Nest Mini or some kind of assisting device, let me know what you think about them in the comment section, because I've yet to have one or use one. And they're listening anyway, so they might as well be able to listen better. Ooh, it's small. So here's the device. It's not very big. It's very solid though. It's a solid device. Microphone inside. I may be using this for when I do my recordings. It may be a good device for that, especially gaming. So we'll see how that goes. So here's the actual device again. It's like a little donut type deal. All right, what else do you get in this box? Some packaging. A really cool, here it is, bing bang boom. Doesn't feel like much is left in the box. So you get the device, that's it baby. And you get a very nice charging cord, but it is only for this device. Bam, they ain't no pinching it to plug something else up. So, little round plug, says Google, blah, blah, blah. All that good jazz. Here's the speaker. So that's everything that you get with the Google Nest Mini. And that's the end of this video. That's the unboxing. That's it. So thank you very much. And don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell so you know when I upload my reviews of the items that I unbox. And I will check you guys out. Oh, owner's manual and all that stuff. I'm going to definitely be reading that. And you guys have a great day. I'll see you next time on the Dewan Moore Show. Thank you for being here. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. Peace.